Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are doing something a bit different, morphing image animation completely inside After Effects and no shape layer needed. And this video is going to be really interesting, so make sure watch till the end. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. So let's jump into the After Effects. I'm going to use these silhouette images for this morphing animation. So first go to the After Effects and create a composition and name this main and size 9020 by 1080, and I am going to keep the duration 10 seconds. And change this color to the white. Import all of these images that we have to morph. So let me make this sequence first, second and third. So this is my first image. And this is the second. And this is the third. Okay, so now we have to create fade in and fade out animation. So go to the around 1 second and select your first layer, press T and make the opacity value 0% and add a keyframe. And go to the 1.5 seconds and make the opacity 100%. And go to the 2.50 seconds and add a keyframe. And go to the 3 seconds and make the opacity value 0%. Select all of these keyframes, Ctrl C to copy. And go to the end of this keyframe and select this second layer and Ctrl V to paste this all keyframes. Press U to see all of this keyframe. Now go to this second keyframe, Ctrl V to paste all of these keyframes. Press U to see all of these keyframes. Now select the last one and go to the end of this keyframe and Ctrl V to paste all of these keyframes. Now you will see this basic animation. Alright, so now we have to add the adjustment layer. So right click, new, add the adjustment layer. Go to the effect and preset panel and search Gaussian blur. And apply onto this adjustment layer. And go again effect in preset panel and search level. This levels and apply onto this adjustment layer again. Now change this level channel to this alpha. And this alpha input black 92 and alpha input white 96. Okay. Now go to the first keyframe and select the adjustment layer and add a blurriness keyframe and make this blurriness value 0. And go to the end of this keyframe and press U to see this adjustment layer keyframes and add this blurriness keyframe at the end of this keyframe. And go to the middle of this and make this blurriness value 100. Then you will see this morph animation. Select all of these keyframes, press F9 to ease them. Now select this blurriness keyframes, Ctrl C to copy, and we have to add this here. Okay, and starting of this keyframe, so Ctrl V to paste. Now go to the second keyframe and Ctrl V to paste. Now go to this keyframe and Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl V to paste it here. Now we have to add the markers. So go to the starting of this keyframe and unselect all of these layers and press star. Then you will see this marker here and go to the end of this keyframe and again press star and here as well. So we have to create lot of markers. So add marker here and go to the end of this keyframe, marker and starting keyframe, add a marker and go to the end of this keyframe, add the marker and here as well. At the marker. Alright, so now select all of these layers, right click, pre-compose it and name this morph animation. Alright, now we have to add the background. So double click onto this rectangle and name this background. And move it under this morph animation composition and change this color to white. And go to the first marker, expand the rectangle, expand the fill. add the color keyframe. So go to the second marker here, and I'm going to use the second color, this one, green. Okay, go to the third marker and add the keyframe, and go to this fourth marker, and we have to change the color. So I'm going to use this color, red. Okay, and go to this fifth marker and add a keyframe, and go to the end of this sixth marker, and you can change the color to this one, yellow. All right, now go to the seventh marker and add a keyframe, and go to this eighth marker and change the color, Ctrl V to paste, and this one, ninth marker, and go to the ninth marker and add this keyframe, and go to the end of this, make this white. And if you play this, then you will see this animation. Now select all of these keyframe, press F9 to ease them. Select your background, go to the effect and preset panel, and search CC Vignette. And apply onto this background. Now this morph animation is completed. I hope you like this video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating.